split second, paglingon kong ganun, there's a truck in front of us. This is a huge truck. A huge truck beaming yung light in front of us. Kung gumanon yung driver, this is accurate. Two roads. Supposedly this is our lane. This is the lane of the truck. Gumanon yung driver, we are in the center. We are in the center. That split second, nasa harap na yung truck. I don't know. So, syempre, for sure naman nag-stop yung dalawang bata. But, okay, video log. Hindi ako dapat magre-record ngayon, pero feeling ko kailangan ko tong sabihin. Hindi ako magre-record ngayon dapat kasi iniintay ko pa yung microphone ko. Nag-order kasi ako ng microphone kasi maingay yung AC, so kailangan ko ng microphone. Pero feeling ko kailangan kong mag-record today kasi baka makalimutan ko to. And ngayon pala medyo nanginginig ako. Hindi ko kasi alam kung paano to sisimulan, pero kailangan ikwento mo na lang. Okay. Naniniwala ba kayo dun sa feeling na wag mo na i-sugar ko. Naniniwala ba kayo na possible supposed to be you are not here anymore, but however the universe is not planning for that? Baga, not today. Parang ganun. Or ang naisip ko kasi dito is hopefully, okay, hindi naman kailangan na maniwala ka, pero ito lang yung just my opinion. Possible na nag-shift ka ng timeline. If you are into spirituality or something like that, ganun, or if you feel that there is something weird, yeah, you are not alone, ganun. And yun, feeling ko kailangan ko ito i-record today kasi baka makalimutan ko. And if ever hindi ka maniwala, I don't mind. If ever wala maniwala, I don't mind. It's just me. I just want to know na if in the future ba nakita ko uli itong video na to, I just want to know na valid yung nangyari sa akin during this time. Actually, kanina lang yon. So, 10th of January today, nangyari yon kanina, January 9. Ganun. Kasi, late, kinabukasan na. Ganun. But I have to record. So, what happened earlier is that, okay, ganito siya. So, nung hapon, so syempre, gumising ako. And then, my plan is to pick up my laundry. And then, I want to go to the shopping mall to withdraw money because I want to get some money and then deposit it on another account. Ganun. So I have I can use, okay, whatever, I'm not going to explain that part. So that's the plan. Okay, so take a bath and then eat. Okay, supposed to be that is my breakfast because I woke up in the afternoon. So everything's fine, nothing everything's well. I mean, the weather is fine, the weather is beautiful, everything's going well. Okay, so I went outside and then may mini-fan ako, ganyan, kahit anyway, lakad ako, nothing wrong. And then sumakay ako ng tricycle. Okay, so I'm not sure kung sino makakapanood nito, pero yung tricycle is like tuk-tuk, ganon. So everything's okay. So syempre matagal yung biyahe, ganon. Siguro mga 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And then somewhere on the road, along the road, I'm seeing the angel numbers. If you are into spirituality, or if ever nakita mo na to somewhere, yeah, that is part of what they call awakening. You know, you see synchronicities, angel numbers. And for me, matagal na itong nangyayari sa akin. Pero, you know, that was, years ago. And I'm not planning to tell anyone because, sino maniniwala doon? Para kung di naman nila na-experience, di wag mo nang i-explain, di ba? So, parang sa akin, normal na nakikita ko na yun everyday. Maybe, ano kayang meron dito, ano ang message, ganon. So I'm seeing the 222, 555, ganon. Normal lang. Pero parang nakikita ko siya sa mga plate numbers na parang, wait, hold on. Ang weird kasi kada plate number parang may numbers na nabubuo. Like somewhere na may 1, 2, 3, 4, and then may 222, and then may 555. Like, pero medyo weird na yun Parang sa akin medyo weird na yun. Normally nakikita ko na parang isang number lang, like 444, ganun, or possible 333. And normal ko na nakikita yun. Pero yung parang in one moment na sobrang madami, sa akin is kailangan ko na sundan yun. There is something na, anong ibig sabihin nito? Ano ibig sabihin nito? And ako wala akong kasama to sa tricycle Mag-isa lang ako sa tricycle. And tuloy-tuloy lang, normal lang yung travel. Nothing's wrong. I keep on looking on the different vehicles. Okay, so cars, SUVs, ganon, other tricycles, motorcycles. And then yung iba na nakasulat is syempre I'm not sure kung sino makakapanood nito, but okay, so plate numbers, merong DAD, dad. It's wrong. Parang gano'n, medyo natatakot ako dun And then, pagtingin ko sa kabila, MOM, mom. What the heck? Medyo kinakabahan na ako at that point. Parang, it's wrong. Parang, pero syempre, I don't want to be skeptical. Baka, lang yun, it's just your mind. Do not panic. And then, all of a sudden, biglang, inisip ko na lang, what is this? What is this message? What is this message? Give me more sign. Parang, do I have to panic or is everything alright? Pagdating namin doon sa may boundary, so kung saan dapat titigil yung tricycle, hindi siya tumitigil. I don't know why hindi siya tumitigil. And then iaabot ko na lang yung dapat yung bayad. Kasi parang hindi siya, parang invisible ba ako? Ganon. Tapos inaabot ko yung bayad na ganon. Inabot ko yung bayad sa kanya. Sabi niya, ay, nandiyan ka pala. May sakay pala ako. Akala ko wala, sumawa na lang siya. Tapos parang, okay. Ganon. Tapos, by the time na sinabi niya yun, may bumangga sa likod namin. Another tricycle. Napangga ako sa likod. So, syempre, galaw ako. Ganon. Tapos, hindi ko nakita yung reaction niya. For sure, galit siya. Kasi nabangga yung nabangga yung tricycle niya. And then, nagtataka lang ako kasi medyo malawak pa yung kabilang side Like, kasya pa siya dun. For some reason, bakit niya ako nabangga? Diba? Sa side ko pa. Doon pa ako nabangga. Nothing happened. Wala naman nangyari. Parang, slight lang na collision. Nothing happened. So, inabot ko na lang yung bayad. Okay na yan. Pero, yun pala, yung driver is sakto na tatawid siya dun sa kabila. He's going to cross on the other side of the street. So, syempre, I'm a bit traumatized kasi may bumangga. And that means, safe ako kasi hindi ko na kailangan na I do not have to cross the pedestrian lane. Because, the traffic, yung motorcycles here, or the vehicles here are, they're not okay with with the traffic. Kasi madalas alam mo yun, madalas makakabangga din talaga sila eh. So, nakaligtas ako dun sa pagtawid, sa pedestrian lane. Okay. Abot bayad, fine. Sakay ako ng jeep, going to the shopping mall. Everything's okay. Bago yun, nakakita ko ng sign. Doon sa damit no isang girl nakalagay na dreams. Dreams yung nakasulat. Sabi ko, okay, dreams. Baka ano lang to. Baka the message is something about, like this one, what I'm doing, to continue vlogging. Baka ganun lang. So, okay, that's fine. Okay, supported by the universe. Ganun lang. Nothing wrong. And then, there's a sign, the huge sign. I'm not sure kung familiar kayo sa store na yon. It says, do good, feel good. Tama ba yan? I'm not sure, but something like that. Do good, feel good. And then, parang, okay, nothing wrong. Wala kang dapat ikapanik. Okay, so the jeepney went to the shopping mall. Okay na, wala namang problem. And then, along the road ulit, nagbi-blink yung ilaw sa loob ng jeepney. Sa isang side lang ha, kung saan nandun yung isang guy na nakaupo. Dito, parang nagbi-blink-blink siya dito. Ganun. Tapos, what is wrong? Okay, nagbi-blink. May something ulit, may message ulit. What is that? Tinignan ko siya from head to foot. Sa bag niya, nakaharap sa akin. Nakasulat is Life Teaches. Life Teaches. What does it mean, Life Teaches? Is it this? Life Teaches? We're going to teach something? I don't know. Okay. Random. Sobrang random. Hindi ko na pinansin. Okay, sige. Basta okay na yon. Muntik na ako makalampas. But then, buti nakababa ako. And then again, naalala ko, oh my God, tatawid uli ako sa kabilang side. Medyo takot ako. May overpass. Okay, may overpass. First time ko na naggamitin yung overpass because I'm afraid of heights. Sorry, I'm afraid of heights. I don't want to cross using the overpass. But okay, nandun ako. Tumawid ako. So lakad lang, diretso lang. Nakabahan ako kasi kahit na isang floor lang yon, pero nakakatakot pa din, di ba? Okay, so walang mangyayaring masama, tawid ka lang. Pagbaba ko nung hagdan, muntik na akong malaglag. Buti na nakakapit ako dun sa hawakan, kahit medyo mataas siya, buti na lang nakahawak ko kasi bumagsak ako dun. Face on the concrete talaga. So, dugo yung face ko doon. Oh my God, ano nangyayari? Naisip ko, okay, nasave ulit ako. Then, pasok ako sa mall. Walang problem. Ganun. So, ito yung suot ko ha. Ito pa rin yung suot ko kanina. Sinuot ko lang today. Pagpasok ko doon sa mall, walang problem. Nakapag-withdraw ko ng money, and then na-deposit ko dun sa isang account, and then nakita ko bukas na yung isang store ng parang cake shop, and then tinignan ko lang yung cake. Supposedly dapat bibili ako, which is nakalimutan ko na because of what happened today. Supposedly dapat bibili ako ng slice of cake. But anyways, so nakapag-coffee ako, and then kumain ako. And then ito yung news ngayon ha. Ito yung news. Just for the sake na pag ni-review ko to in the future, if ever, na hindi ko to i-private or i-delete, I just want to check if everything's aligned. Yung news today is about the Palisades fire, the LA fires. And that is the news na alam ko today and yesterday. Yun yung alam ko na news. Palisades fire, LA fires. And currently, it's still ongoing. The fire is still ongoing. So I just want to check the events. I don't mind if you don't believe. I don't mind. This is, just for me, just to check if the events are aligned. So, balik tayo dun sa kwento ng asan ako. Nasa mall ako, okay na. Yeah, so nakauwi na ako. Ganon. Parang nalulungkot lang ako dun sa balita kasi while I'm eating, ganon. Parang chinecheck ko dun sa news, ganon, yung mga bahay ng mga celebrities na, suddenly wipe out because of the fire. I feel sad. Okay. So, of course, there's, speculations of people na, maybe because of what's happening recently or what's happening in the world, ganun, parang, things are changing. Things are changing. But, I don't want to focus on that because, we have to, a loss is a loss. A loss is a loss. So, whatever social status you have or wherever you are in the world or whatever is going on in your life, parang a loss is a loss. So we have to, have empathy, have sympathy. It is wrong to, to feel na, that is karma, something like that. No, that is wrong. So, okay. After I eat dinner, and then I went home. Now, this is what makes me want to record this film or this video. Pag uwi ko, dumaan muna ako ng laundry because that is my main point kung bakit ako umalis. Nag-laundry ako and then nakuha ko yung laundry. Magdaan yun, 9 p.m. na. Magda 9 p.m. na rin yun. Ganun, buti sumakto. Nakuha ko yung laundry. So, meron akong dalang laundry. Nandun ako sa loob ng tricycle. And then, nothing's wrong. Mag-isa lang ako dun sa tricycle. Nothing's wrong. Walang problem. Somewhere na malapit na sa bahay. Well, malapit na ba yun? Or basta along the road na lang ulit. Along the way. For some reason, merong dalawang bata na biglang hinabol yung tricycle na sinasakyan ko. What is going on? Anong meron sa isip ninyo? Like, these are not kids that are age 6. Ganon. So young. Na parang hindi nila alam yung ginagawa nila. These are kids around maybe age 12. I'm not sure, 12, 15, something like that. So, you know what you're doing. You know what you are doing. And during the evening, like, bakit kayo nasa labas? Supposed to be dapat there are no kids medyo late na. For some reason, hinabol talaga nila yung tricycle na sinasakyan ko. Dalawa sila. Maaabot na nila. I'm not sure kung parang gusto nilang sumakay. Pero, why are you going to do that? Na dun sa street na medyo busy, na vehicles are moving back and forth. Like, why? Every day, madalas every day, like, last Christmas, every day ako lumalabas. Walang ganun. Walang ganun ako na issue na nararanasan. Everything is fine. Bakit kayo hahabol sa tricycle? And then, ito yung weird na nangyari. Akala ko i-ignore lang siya nung tricycle driver. For some reason, syempre, malapit na kasi yung dalawang bata eh. Na-bother siya. And then ako na-bother din, syempre, kasi malapit na yung dalawang bata eh. And nandun sila sa part na palapit yung mga sasakyan papunta sa kanila. So, if they are looking towards the vehicle where I'm in, mababangga sila. Yung probability is probably 100% mababangga sila. Kasi I can see it in their eyes, sobrang eager nila na makasakay. Sobrang eager nila na makasakay. They don't mind kung ano papunta sa kanila. Possible at that moment, mabangga sila. Pusa. Shut up. Nagka-concentrate ako. And then so na-bother yung tricycle driver. Bumili siya na ganun. Eh ako naka-headphone ako, pero alam ko yung nangyayari. Bumangga siya. Ay, di lang bumangga. Pumreno siya. And then, for sure, minura niya yung mga bata. He cursed the kids. Because, you know the situation. Someone will pumreno yung driver. Minura niya yung mga bata. Hindi ko napansin yung dalawang bata. Kasi, all of a sudden, pag lingon ko ganun, so, syempre, napamura muna ako. Kasi nakatingin din ako doon sa mga bata eh. So, pareho kaming, the tricycle driver and me, we're looking at the kids. Nakatingin kaming ganun. And then, napamura ako. I mean, medyo malakas yung curse, yung swearing words ko doon at that time. I don't want to say it here as much as I want to. para full reenactment. But, napamura talaga ako. And split second paglingon kong ganun, there's a truck in front of us. This is a huge truck beaming yung light in front of us. Kung gumanon yung driver, this is accurate. Two roads. Supposedly, this is our lane. This is the lane of the truck. Gumanon yung driver, we are in the center. That split second, nasa harap na yung truck. I don't know. So, syempre, for sure naman nag-stop yung dalawang bata. But, for some reason, I do not know what happened. Nothing happened to me. Nothing happened to the driver. Nothing happened to our vehicle. And then, tuloy-tuloy lang. We went on the lane, on the correct lane, and then the truck, dumaan siya, ganun. And then, pag uwi ko dito sa bahay, parang, so, galit yung driver, of course, kasi possible may mangyaring masama sa amin. Malaki, 100%. Probability na may mangyaring masama. If not sa amin ng driver, doon sa dalawang bata na hinabol kami. Now, you know, I don't want to tell this story, pero I just want to forget na parang, possible naman, maranasan mo naman yan on any day. Parang nagkataon lang yan. Parang, what are the odds? Diba? For some reason, so syempre, we are glued on our phones. Diba? We scroll to our social apps na gusto natin. Okay. Nire-review ko pa din yung Palisades fire. I'm still checking on the news. Ganon. Yun pa rin yung ginawa ko pag uwi ko. Ganon. So, syempre, di mo na ako kumain. Parang, for some reason kasi yung ngipin ko is masakit na. Ngayon medyo nakakalimutan ko kasi medyo tense ako ngayon na magkwento. But ang sakit talaga ng ngipin ko kanina pa. Sumasakit na uli siya. So possible tomorrow magpapa-check up na ako. Ganun. Any sked, kukuhain ko yun. Ang sakit ng ngipin ko today. For some reason, I'm checking on it. Parang wala naman siyang sira. Feeling ko. Ayun. Pero for some reason, ang sakit talaga ng ngipin ko. I'm checking on my social app. So, yun pa rin yung news na binabantayan ko about the Palisades fire, LA fires, kaninong celebrity houses ang nasunog, ganun. For some reason, nag-browse pa uli ako. So, syempre, nakakaumay na yung story. Parang, it's just the same. Ganun. Same life, same whatever. For some reason, there is this woman. This is from the US story. There's this woman na nagkwento siya na parang, what the F is happening right now? Like, there is a glitch. Her story is that galing siya sa bahay. So, bibili lang siya dapat sa store, and then na malapit lang, like 5 minutes away from 5 minutes away just from their house. And then nag-stop by muna siya sa that store to buy coffee. So may coffee na siya, ganyan. And then nag-browse lang daw siya sa phone niya. All of a sudden, pagtingin niyang ganon, 15 miles, oh my God, is that 15 or 30? 30 miles away na siya mula doon sa original na point niya. So parang, how come na in just a split second, nakapag-travel ka ng 30 miles? Ay nagtaka siya na, where am I? Where am I? Na parang native siya from, she's born and living there in Utah for a very long time. How come nangyari sa kanya yun? Na kabisado niya lahat na nandun. How come na in a split second, like 5 minutes lang dapat siya, pero 30 miles na yun na travel niya. Na parang, if I'm not mistaken, like 15 minutes na dapat yun or 30 minutes. So ako parang, girl, baka in-invento mo lang yung kwento na yan. You might just be inventing a story, you know. But then I realized, what happened to me earlier? What happened? I'm not even searching about these stories sa social app. You know, I'm not even looking because my focus is about the fires, you know. But the casualty, what's happening, is the fire going to stop, when it will stop, mga ganun lang. So I'm not focusing on these other stories. And then suddenly doon, ito siya nawala na isang story, but ito yung sinesearch ko recently kasi may isang topic doon about quantum immortality. So parang ganito siya. Something about the Schrodinger's cat na parang hindi sa box is hindi mo malalaman if the cat is alive or not, ganun, until you assume, you know, something like that. Pero what the video is telling me about the quantum immortality is like, on this timeline, on where we are living, and this is the reason why I'm telling about the news, I'm telling about the date, like today is this January 10, and I'm just doing this for the sake of, you know, for myself. I don't care if you don't believe. Just me for myself. I want to review this in the future. I don't know how long in the future, but I just want to record this for me. And if you want to believe, fine. If not, fine. You know, so something about the quantum immortality is that what the video is telling me is that in this timeline, somewhere along the timeline, You went to your exit point. If you know what I mean. Exit point. Your life's exit point. However, I don't know, however, maybe it's not yet your time. Maybe it's not my time. So you jump in to another. Oh my god, you jump into another. Oh my god, 4 minutes na lang. Please, please. Okay, I will cut this ha. Magde-delete lang ako ng files. I will cut this. Continue tayo later. Okay, going back. So where are we? So ito, yung the quantum immortality. Okay, so quantum immortality is sabi niya doon. I'm not sure kung i-check ko ba online. Anyway, sayang sa oras. Wag na. Basta ko na lang yung sabi ko sa video is that in this timeline, possible nag-exit point ka and then all of a sudden, you know, hindi mo pa time, and then what happened is that you switch on another timeline. You know, like, this is weird, but you know, if you believe in okay, just to make it easier to visualize or to understand, multiverse, you know, you see this in the movies, you know, like may multiverse, the what is that, the Scarlet Witch and Doctor Strange multiverse. It's like that. Okay, so that you can understand something like that. So you switch from one timeline to another. Let's just say that you switch from one multiverse to another multiverse, you know, but you know, same, we just don't know, you know, just because it's not yet your time. So that's what they mean by quantum immortality. And ito pa yung isa na part, because just yesterday, you know, meron ako nakita isang video sa YouTube. Gano'n kasi kahapon, supposedly gusto ko rin lumabas. Kaso parang, I don't know, for some reason, parang feeling ko, wag na magstay na lang muna ako. Ganon. And then, may nakita ko isang video, pinanood ko siya. This is a 2-hour video on YouTube about a psychic. This is from India, but English siya. This is in English. So yeah, I can understand. There are some parts that they speak in Hindi, but you know, overall I can understand everything. And then during that part, okay, hold on. I think I have it here. The title is Inside a Real Psychic's Mind: Intuition, Karma, and Astral Travel. Tamana C. TRS 462. This is a video by Beer Biceps. So this is in English, but they're from India, and this was published 1 month ago, and as of now it has 2.7 million views. So I watch it from end to end because, oh my god, I'm undergoing on a this is woo woo, but I don't mind if you care or not. I'm on a spiritual journey for many years now, and so far this whole video explains a lot of my questions. What is happening? What is happening right now? What is happening to me? What is happening right now? Is this real? Is this not real? So I watched this yesterday. So yesterday. And then somewhere on that video she explains something about the exit points in a human's life. So in our timeline and in this on Earth, we have 5 exit points in our lifetime. So exit points is, you know, a soul exiting the body. So you know what I mean. I'm not sure if I can say it, but you get it. So there are 5 exit points. So let's just say that like for example, what happened to me. So if what happened to me yesterday, the whole scenario that I was talking about, what if, that is my exit point? However, it didn't happen, you know. So, what she said about the exit points is that, okay, so if today is your exit points, however, the soul doesn't want to leave the body, what will happen is that, of course, you will still be alive, but, the challenges in your life will be, there's a more, more a little bit challenging because okay, you want to stay here on earth, okay, so you feel that you have a mission, you feel you have a purpose, okay, so let's wait, my stomach is cramped. What is wait, okay, so let's put you in a, let's give you a purpose, something like that. Yun yung naalala ko. That's what I remember. So, few hours ago, I'm just thinking about my tooth because I want to go to the dentist tomorrow. This is really painful. I don't know if it's the upper or the lower, but for now it's the lower part of my molar. So I want to go to the dentist tomorrow. Hopefully I'm safe. Because I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. But okay, I just want to inform the universe, that I'm going to record this. I just want to check if everything will align on the timeline. I'm not going to put anything fancy in this video if, I don't know who's going to watch this, but I just want to check if the timeline is going well, if the events are the same by the time I check this in the future, because so far if I hope people who are experiencing spiritual journey, or what they say, spiritual awakening, finds this video. Kasi usually kung random lang na mga tao yung makakita nito, they will just say na, you're just making a story, you just want to go viral, you just want to, I don't care, I don't care kung sino makakita nito, I don't care. But if ever you are also experiencing some, kasi so far nakikita ko na sa apps ngayon na parang iba yung shift during the time kasi na doon nagsa-start pa lang ako. Actually, one reason na kaya ako ginawa tong channel na to is because ayoko yung part na biglang may mangyayari sa'yo na sort of ganyan, na spiritual awakening, and then wala kang references. So, what's happening to me? What's happening? Am I sane? Am I not insane? Ganun. Parang I'm so healthy. I am very healthy. And lumalabas ako everyday just to enjoy my life. That's it. I don't have any problems. I'm happy with everything that I have. So, I don't know. So, yeah. I guess I will going to end this kasi ang tagal na Yeah, maglalampas 30 minutes na ulit ako, and mahirap mag-edit. Possible na baka i-edit ko lang to in one whole run, I'm not sure, but that's it. That's the video log. Supposed to be hindi ako magre-record today kasi iba yung mga naiisip ko na topics, gano'n na i-share, but for some reason may nangyari na ganito, and I'm waiting for my microphone. Sana dumating na siya before the weekend kasi next week pa yung dating yun. But I'm expecting kasi ang ingay ng AC, ganun, mahirap mag-edit, but hopefully you can understand everything that I said on this video, ganun. And this is just my experience, this is my opinion. So yeah, I'm safe, and there's nothing, happy lang. Ganon. Parang life goes on and you know, there's nothing to fear. Um, yeah, there's nothing to fear. We have to enjoy life. Yon. Sabi nga doon sa nakita ko kahapon, kanina, yun, nakalimutan ko na naman. Do good, feel good. Do good, feel good daw. Sabi, do good, feel good. And dreams, nakasulat doon, dreams. And then, what is the other one? Life teaches. Okay, I will just focus on that. So, whatever woo-woo is happening, whatever glitch is happening, real or not real, I don't mind. I don't care. Okay? Whatever downloads they will put in my brain, yun lang. Share lang ng story. If you don't believe, I understand. Just skip this video, scroll this video. I don't mind. But for those people na, oh yeah, I experienced the same. Oh yeah, medyo ganyan din. But so far, I'm feeling the same. Like, let me know. I just want to inform that you are not alone. If you experience similar experience, or kung nakaka-relate ka sa anything na sinabi ko, I'm not sure if I'm speaking in Tagalog English, ha? I'm so sorry if some words are not understandable, or if some words are sound mumbly, ganun. I'm trying my best to compose the story in one whole run, okay, without edits. Yun lang. Okay. So, yeah. Have a good life. Have a good day. And see you. Bye.